Assalamu alaikum and good evening, my dear students. This is your teacher, Mr. Rahim Khan, and today I would give you a brief review video about short vowels and word meaning that we discussed in the last classes, page number 2, 3 and 4. So I would start from page number 2 because page number 1 was your homework which I gave you, and page number 2 for those who have missed the class or you would have a brief idea about your lesson. So now these short vowels, number A part, underline the spelling word in each row that rhymes with the word in bold type. Write the spelling word, underline. So the board you have in front of that you have to select out of 3 the same sound or rhyme. Lame, so came, snug, shrug, hatch, batch, spring, fling, shut, jut, plain, scan, grid, lid, 10 cents, rush, gush, clump, stump, gruff, stuff, luff, duff, slot, caught, brick, nick, blot, knot. And part number B, write the spelling words, underlines in reverse alphabetical order. Reverse mean the opposite, start from ZY. So 16, tough. So if there are 2 words you have to take from second letter as well, like tough and tenth, so T-O and then T-E, because it starts from the opposite. Tough, tenth, rough, laugh, guess. Now page number 3 we discuss about number 1 which includes short A spell A, damp, scan, bait, for, laugh, and 5th and 6th short E spell E, 10th, sense, short E spell E-A or U-E, number 7 and 8 with guess and lid, short I spell I, 9 and 10, nick and fling, and short O spell O, number 11 and 12, dove, not, short U spell U, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, jut, shrug, stuff, gush, stump is the same pattern, same rhyme. And number 18, short U spell O, caught, number 19 and 20, short U spell O, U, tough, rough. Moving to page number 4, which is about the definition, and definition mean give the meaning to the following words that we discussed in the earlier pages. Number 1, throw with force, fling. When you throw something forcefully, that's called fling. And 2, slightly wet mean damp. So those words which are comparatively difficult, I would try to explain as much as possible. Slightly with damp, it means wet with water with liquid. Number 3, stick out means jut, to take it out from the surface something. Number 4, material and pencil, lid. Number 5, pour out, gush, take out something in a liquid form like water. 6, cooing bird, dove. 7, raise one's shoulder, shrug, when you raise and move your shoulder to say affirmative or negative or that you don't know something, like shrugging one's shoulder. Number 8, V-shape, notch. 9, small narrow bit, caught, small bit. Number 10, look through, quickly, scan, when you study something quickly and hurriedly. Number 11, estimate or prediction, guess, when you say something in advance, guessing. Number 12, next after 9, 10, part B, write the spelling word that best completes each analogy. Number 13, quiet is to noisy as gentle is to rough. To analogy is kind of opposite to the same phrasal word, the last one to the earlier part, or just like synonym or antonym. So quiet is to noisy is the opposite. So same like gentle is to rough, or mean hard. Number 14, scratch is to scrape, as cut is to nick. So the 14 one comes just like a synonymous meaning, means same like means scratch and scrape, and cut and nick. Nick is also a kind of cutting. 15, cry is to weep, same like synonym, same meaning almost, as laugh is to chuckle. So laugh is to laugh heartily, and chuckle is kind of a little laughing. Number 16, fill is to empty, as badge is to unpack. So number 16 comes the opposite, fill, empty are the opposite, and badge, unpack, when you are assembling something and when you are unpacking. Number 17, bunch is to stuff, as couple is to pair. So same like stuff, lots of the quantity, and bunch lesser than that, and couple and pair. So it's also like the quantity increase and decrease. Number 18, foolish is to sense, the opposite one, foolish stupidity, and sense intellect, and weak is to strong, opposite. Number 19, stump is to tree. Tree is a whole of tree, including all parts of a tree, and stump is only a part of a tree. When you cut a tree and remaining, that's called stump, and a part is to whole. So part of something and error. Number 20, word tough is to easy, tough in hard, difficult, and puzzling is to simple. So puzzling is also a difficult and simple. Hopefully you would have a brief idea about the previous lesson, and thank you for your concentration and your attention. Inshallah we would inshallah meet next time inshallah with a new short brief review video. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.